like adding other types of data, we can also add xy coordinates in our shape layer. How we do it? So we go to layer, and in the add layer we select add delimited text layer. So in the file name we search for the file and then open it up. So before going to add, so we look for the geometric definition. So it should be in the x field x coordinate and in the y field y coordinate. Sometime the software does not read it accurately, so we have to switch the x file field to the y coordinate or the y field to the x coordinate. It happens sometime. And here we select our project, the coordinate system, which is already mentioned here, and then we add. See, you could see here the coordinates. So if we open attribute table, and then we see here the x coordinate and the y coordinate. This way you can add the coordinates or xy value into the QGIS.